Welcome back to Old World Coins Park. Today, we're hunting for hidden treasures in two specific years, the 1984 $1 coin and the 2009 $2 coin. Could these be worth thousands? We'll reveal the rare errors and mint marks you need to check before you spend them. Let's dive in. The 1984 Australian $1 coin is one of the most important modern coins in Australia because it was the first official Australian $1 coin released for public use. Before 1984, Australia used $1 banknotes, but the government decided to introduce a coin because coins last much longer than paper notes. This made the 1984 coin historically special, and many collectors still search for it today. The coin was produced by the Royal Australian Mint and features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the front side. The back side was designed by Stuart Devlin and shows 5 kangaroos, which became one of the most famous Australian coin designs. The coin is made from aluminum bronze, giving it a golden color. It weighs 9 grams and has a diameter of 25 millimeters. Although the coin is old, most 1984 Australian dollar coins are not extremely rare because millions were made. The total mintage was nearly 186 million coins. Because of this large number, many examples are still found in circulation and old collections. A normal circulated coin is usually worth only 1 to 3 Australian dollars. Coins in very good condition may sell for $5 to $20 depending on their quality and shine. The most valuable 1984 Australian dollar coins are those with rare minting errors. Error coins happen during the production process at the mint. These mistakes are interesting to collectors because they are unusual and harder to find. Some error coins can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. One popular error is the off-center strike. This happens when the blank coin is not placed correctly during minting. Part of the design may be missing while the rest looks shifted to one side. Small off-center errors can be worth around $100, while strong visible errors may reach several $100s. Another famous error is the clipped planchet. In this error, part of the edge of the coin is missing because the blank was cut incorrectly before striking. These coins are unusual and collectors enjoy finding them. Depending on the size of the clip, values may range from $80 to $250. Some $1,984 coins also show die cracks or die chips. These appear as raised lines or bumps caused by damaged minting dies. A die chip behind the kangaroo design is known among Australian collectors. Minor die cracks may not be very expensive, but large or dramatic examples can still attract attention. Lamination errors are also collected. These happen when the metal surface starts peeling or flaking because of impurities in the alloy. Coins with strong peeling areas may sell for much more than face value. Very rare examples include coins struck on the wrong metal planchet. These are extremely scarce and can be worth a large amount of money if professionally authenticated. Some collectors have paid hundreds or thousands of dollars for unusual wrong planchet Australian coins. Condition is very important when determining value. A shiny uncirculated coin with no scratches or wear is worth much more than a damaged coin. Collectors often use professional grading services to confirm authenticity and quality. Coins graded in high mint state condition are usually the most expensive. Today, the 1984 Australian $1 coin remains popular because of its history, kangaroo design, and possible rare errors. Most coins are common, but special error varieties and top-quality examples continue to increase in collector interest. For many people, searching through old coins for a rare $1,984 error is exciting because even an ordinary-looking coin could potentially have hidden value. The 2009 Australian $2 coin is a popular coin among collectors because some rare error versions can be worth much more than face value. A normal 2009 $2 coin is very common because millions were made by the Royal Australian Mint. Most regular circulated coins are only worth $2 Australian dollars. However, rare error coins and coins in perfect condition can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars to collectors. The standard 2009 $2 coin features Queen Elizabeth II on the front side and an Aboriginal elder on the back side. The coin is gold-colored because it is made from aluminium bronze. Even though ordinary coins are common, collectors search carefully for unusual minting mistakes called errors. One famous error is the double strike error. This happens when the coin is struck twice during production. The images or letters may appear doubled or shifted slightly. A strong double strike is rare and valuable because very few escape the mint. Depending on the strength of the error and the condition, these coins may sell for hundreds of dollars. Another valuable error is the off-center strike. This happens when the blank coin is not placed correctly during minting. Part of the design may be missing while another part appears too close to the edge. Small off-center errors are less valuable, but major ones can attract serious collectors. A broad strike error is also rare. In this error, the coin spreads wider than normal because the retaining collar failed during striking. These coins may look stretched or unusually large. Collectors like broad strike errors because they are visually dramatic. Die cracks and cut errors are also important. A die crack appears as a raised line on the coin caused by a damaged die. A cut error occurs when a piece of the die breaks away, leaving a raised blob on the coin. Larger and clearer errors usually bring higher prices. Some people also search for rotated die errors. In this case, the front and back designs are not aligned correctly. When the coin is turned, the opposite side appears rotated instead of upright. Strong rotations are uncommon and collectible. Condition is extremely important for value. A worn or damaged coin is usually worth less. Coins in uncirculated condition with sharp details are worth more because fewer survive without damage. Professional grading services can officially grade coins, increasing buyer confidence. Many online sellers advertise ordinary 2009 $2 coins as ultra-rare, but not all are truly valuable. Collectors must learn the difference between genuine mint errors and normal damage. Scratches, dents, heat damage, or machine damage after leaving the mint usually do not increase value. Some rare 2009 error coins have reportedly sold for several $100s. Exceptional examples with dramatic minting errors may reach over $1,000 at auction if collectors compete strongly for them. However, ordinary coins without errors normally remain close to face value. If you own a 2009 Australian $2 coin, check it carefully using a magnifying glass. Look for doubling, unusual shapes, missing parts of the design, or alignment problems. Never clean the coin because cleaning can reduce its value significantly. The excitement around Australian $2 coins has grown in recent years because collectors enjoy finding valuable coins in everyday change. Error coins are especially popular because every error is different, making each piece unique. In conclusion, the normal 2009 Australian $2 coin is common, but rare mint errors can make some examples very valuable. Double strikes, off-center strikes, broad strikes, die cracks, and rotated dies are among the most collectible errors. The value depends on rarity, condition, and how dramatic the error appears. A genuine rare error coin could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars to the right collector.